Here's how to get free shipping on Amazon. So the best way to do this, while some sellers do offer free shipping, maybe free shipping with slower standard delivery, Amazon Prime shipping is the best free shipping. You get shipping same day, second day, all the time with Prime. And tons of items on Amazon are Amazon Prime shipping eligible. Now, there is a way to get 6 months free of Amazon Prime. There's a link in the description. It will take you to this page where you get it for half price after a 6-month free trial. That's Amazon Prime for young adults. You can find out if you're eligible, if you already have Prime. If you don't, you can join. And when you join, you just verify as being a student or being between 18 and 24 years old. And you get that 6-month free trial. And then Amazon Prime is 50% off after that. And you also get 5% cash back, which is more than the regular Amazon Prime membership. But if you're not eligible for that Prime membership, there's another one where you can get free 30-day trial of Amazon Prime. When you sign up for Amazon Prime, that's when you get all the free Prime shipping. You'll see that on the items when you're actually on the order landing page or when you're on the actual item page itself. You'll see a difference in those pages when you either don't have an account at all or if you just have a regular Amazon account without Amazon Prime. And so those free trials are the best way to get free shipping on Amazon, and that's the free fastest delivery possible. And a lot of times you can actually get it even same day or overnight. I think Amazon Prime, just the shipping side, just the free shipping side pays for itself, but there's a whole lot of other benefits like free Prime Video, free food deliveries with Grubhub Plus. You get free Amazon Music, which is podcasts and music ad-free. And you can actually scroll down on these pages to see all of the different benefits. You can even save 10 cents a gallon at different gas stations. There's a ton of different options here under Amazon Prime. You can check out Amazon Prime for young adults with the link in the description or the regular Amazon Prime free trial as well to get yourself from some free Amazon Prime shipping.